Coastal Karnataka is famously known for its quality education, and people flock here from across the country for pursuing their higher education. Udupi, the temple city, attracts people across the world for its rich cultural heritage and the famous Krishna temple. And also, when it comes to education, people remember Udupi, Manipal and Mangaluru. Udupi being a small town, the students in the area were deprived of quality assistance for their course. Either they had to travel far or bear the brunt. But Trisha classes came as a blessing to all, especially for the students from commerce background. Commerce was socially looked down upon, but when Trisha classes launched the training for CA, automatically people's perspective of commerce changed. The promising career of chartered accountancy attracted people and convinced them to treat education indiscriminately. This way, the efforts of many eligible students were guided towards success by the Trisha classes team. Trisha classes was started on August 10, 1998. It was earlier named as Focus classes. From one teacher to group of 100 people. From 5 students to more than 50,000 students over the years. At the beginning, all the courses and all other office aspects were handled only by CA Gopal Krishna Bhatt.
The coastal Karnataka, especially Udupi and Mangalore district, have immensely contributed to the nation in the field of education, commerce, industry and banking. When we say about education field, students of the different parts of the globe will come here and study. Maybe it is related to engineering or medicine or law, chartered accountancy or company secretary. In the field of commerce education, we are happy to say that Trisha classes have been serving since last 19 years. Trained more than 50,000 students and more than 15,000 professionals related to chartered accountancy and company secretary courses. When we say about Trisha classes, the main features be providing very good study materials. Faculties from different part of the nation will come here and they provide the lectures, and systematic study plan for the students, and also related to the all the comforts and the hostel facility to the students. Give it more facilities and more services to the students. We Trisha classes have joined hands with K2 Learning Resources India Private Limited to give better facilities and developing the R&D team and providing the better faculties across the state. Once a student completes his 10th standard or 12th standard board exams, he comes with a dream that he wants to become a professional like chartered accountant or company secretary or an MBA. To fulfill his dreams, he needs a lot of guidance, directions and supports and trainings as well. We Trisha classes will be a reliable partner in your voyage of becoming a professional. We also support in all the ways so that the student dream becomes a reality.
Trisha was born out of a burning desire to make quality education accessible to as many students as possible, whatever their background. CA Gopal Krishna Bhatt started thus with big dream with small infrastructure. What was started in a single unsteady room has now spread out to various institutions. We are teaching at various institutions as a part of their professional programs. Growth here has been exponential. Mr. Gopal Krishna Bhatt's vision has embraced thousands of students. Now that both the infrastructure as well as team has grown, more than 2,000 students have enrolled to different courses here.
I'm happy to associate with Trisha classes and I'm serving this institute from past 6 years. Finally, I can say Trisha is not just a coaching center, but it is a family and takes care of you the best. Come here and take the best of our training and fulfill your dreams with flying colors.
Earlier, classes started for degree for 1 year and eventually coaching also started for PU Commerce students. Later, coaching for MBA entrance was also started. In 2003, CA coaching was started and in the maiden batch of intermediate, Trisha classes secured All India rank. By then, Trisha classes had become a household name. With this, Trisha classes received nationwide recognition and became pioneer in CA coaching. In 2006, Trisha classes started Mangalore branch. Today, it's the #1 CA and CS coaching institute in coastal Karnataka. Trisha, as a franchisee of ISDC Direct, has now started ACCA, a UK-based CA course, and Mangalore Centre is the only authorized learning partner for the entire Dakshina Kannada region.
Hello everyone, Mangalore Centre, Trisha classes. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ #1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ದಟ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ತ್ರಿಷಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷ್ನಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ CA, CS ಹಾಗೂ ACCA ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೂವನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್? CA CPTDಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅದು CAದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ IPCCಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ CA ಫೌಂಡೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳೆದ 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಿರುವಾಗ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ Trisha classes. So from last 10 years we are making sure that we have given a proven track record, we have got the best results and fantastic faculties with us. So why think anymore? Come to Trisha classes.
In the year 2016, we decided to expand and partnered with K2 Learning Bengaluru. Joining hands with them has made us extend our services in Bengaluru, and this has helped our students who wish to continue their course in Bengaluru. Now we are specialized in training students for courses like CA, CS, ACCA and MBA entrance examination, and also for PU students. We also have integrated batches where student can pursue BCom along with CA or CS. Here, along with BCom, they can finish off their CA CPT foundation, inter and 1.5 years of articleship. We train the students by conducting skill classes and bridge courses where experts from different fields come and take up the sessions. There is a separate counseling cell where students are guided when in need. Trisha classes has various materials and study papers credited to its name. These inputs simplify the complexity of concepts and help the students to remember the points rather than encouraging them to mug up. As the tagline says, there is no compromise with respect to quality here. Classes are conducted in the most conducive rooms and the faculties are chartered accountants and company secretaries from various parts of the country.
As a teacher, I always have this mentality of telling them what they have to do in future, how they can cope up with the outside world, how they are supposed to deal with it, especially those things which they have to make sure that they are going to tell their clients in future from this particular stage itself. So when they start doing these courses, when they start doing these professionalisms, they can cope up with something which they expect from the people in future, or they are supposed to tell the people in future. So it is not just about the studies what they want to do, but also how are they going to deal with the outside world as much as possible.
Trisha conducts various programs in a year.
People here do care for you because whenever you are speaking with a faculty or with a staff or anyone here, they will make sure that you get a feeling like you are speaking to someone who is really close for you, and that makes you comfortable when you are asking doubts or sharing any problems or anything.
Happy that I am integrated batch student because it is the most powerful weapon to crack your CA course. Along with BCom, you can carry on your CA course with more importance to CA course. My both courses go hand in hand.
Not only give quality education, they even develop our personal skills. And to talk about the faculties of Trisha, they have the best faculty from different parts of India.
Come here, study, prepare it for the examinations, professional examinations, and complete your dream and serve the society and be a part of the nation building.
Trisha Classes, a premier institute for commerce education. Udupi, Mangaluru and Bengaluru. Trisha Classes, a premier institute for commerce education. ಅನುಭವಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೀಣ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಗುರಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ತ್ರಿಷಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಕಳೆದ 19 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆದು ಬಂದ ರೀತಿ ಗಮನಾರ್ಹವಾಗಿದೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಹಲವು ಕಡೆಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಏನಂತಾರೆ ನೀವೇ ಕೇಳಿ.
The people here do care for you because whenever you are speaking with a faculty or with a staff or anyone here, they will make sure that you get a feeling like you are speaking to someone who is really close for you, and that makes you comfortable when you are asking doubts or sharing any problems or anything.
I'm basically from Kannada medium, but the Trisha has taught me that language is not an important issue for learning something. Initiatives like bridge course, industrial visits always help students to gain their personality development.
I had a thought that CA is a very difficult course and I can't do that. But after joining to Trisha, the fear about CA is completely washed out, and now I am confident enough to say that I will clear my examination with a great confidence.
बरी CA म्हणणे सो त्रिशा हांव सांगेत की इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ कोचिंग क्लास त्या मेगेल ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंटांतूय हेल्प करता सो I thank Trisha for it.
Happy that I am integrated batch student because it is the most powerful weapon to crack your CA course. Along with BCom, you can carry on your CA course with more importance to CA course. My both courses go hand in hand.
And Trisha is one such institution which not only provides knowledge just for clearing the exams, but also it provides abundant of real knowledge which really leads towards success.
Not only give quality education, they even develop our personal skills. And to talk about the faculties of Trisha, they have the best faculties from different parts of India.
Important part of personality development is discipline, and this makes the Trisha students to stand apart from the crowd.
My heartfelt gratitude towards Trisha Classes for being a part towards my success.
Trisha Classes, a premier institute for commerce education. Udupi, Mangaluru and Bengaluru.
ಸಾವಿರದ 1998ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ 5 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇವತ್ತು 60,000 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ದಾಟಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ 20,000 ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ, ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ. ಇತ್ತಿನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಡುಪಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಇತ್ತು, ಉಡುಪಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒತ್ತನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಪಡಿತಿರೋದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಂದರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಶಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸತಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ಉಡುಪಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು 3ರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಗುರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮನನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು, ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. CAS ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹಂತ ಇದೆ, ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ. 1 ವರ್ಷದ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಶಿಪ್ಪು ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಕೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಫರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅವರೇ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮದ್ದುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್, ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಂಪನಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಗರ್ ರೋಲ್. ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಡಿಮಾನಿಟೈಸೇಷನ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಏನು ತಂದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಫೈನಲಿ, ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್, ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, 1 ಜುಲೈ 2017 ಈ GST ಬಂತು. ಅದು ಹಿಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಮಾನಿಟೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬಂತು. 2018 1 ಜನವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಲ್ಫಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಡನ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್. ಅಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಅಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಥಿಯರಿ, ವೆನ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, ದ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಟ್ಶಲ್ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಬಂದ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕನಾಮಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಫೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ $1 trillion ಎಕನಾಮಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. In all this to say, there's a very huge scope for chartered accountancy. If you become a chartered accountant, the scope is there for another 150-200 years. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವರಿನೇ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಮ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯು. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಕೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಟೆಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಜಾಬ್ಲೆಸ್. ಒಂದು, ಇವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಎನಿ ಕಂಪನಿ, he can do have his own practice, he can go to training, he can go to consultancy ಅಂತ ನೂರಾರು ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಓಪನ್. ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 30-35% ಇರೋದು, ಈ ಸತಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್, ದೇ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಈ IIT, let us take IIT, it's 0.01% ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಾನು. 0.01%, whereas we have at least 10% result. Where do we compare?